Why is it so important to put yourself in your customer's shoes? You're going to find out right here on the Barber Movement. What's going on, guys? How you doing? It's Jay the Badman Adams here. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. This is a little trick that I use every time I go in and evaluate another barbershop when I'm doing my consultancy business. The barbershop is no longer just about getting a haircut and getting out the door. Neither is it just about price. What you need to do is put yourself in the client's shoes and see your shop from the client's perspective. So how are you going to do that? Stop whatever you're doing right now and go and stand at the door at the front of your shop. Does your barbershop represent what you are trying to portray online? Stand in your door, open it out, and have a look at your barbershop. What is the first thing that you see? You know, if you're trying to sell yourself as a clean barbershop, a modern barbershop, an old school barbershop, a punk barbershop, a rocker barbershop, what's the theme of your barbershop? You know, you got to understand that. That's what we got to know first. That's the questions that we have to have answered before we start this project. Are these things being portrayed when that customer opens up the front door? Is it inviting? Can you see all of the barbers in your shop? Because that's very important also, that when somebody walks into your shop, all of the barbers turn and greet that person. Is everybody able to do that? Right, now go in and take a seat in your seating area. Relax. Is the chair comfortable? Do you feel comfortable in the shop? Take a look around. Are there things to keep me entertained? Is the radio playing? Have you got nice music? How is the sound? Is it too loud? Is it too quiet? Is there reading material? Have you got a television? What's on the television? If you're an ultra modern barbershop, have you got the BBC News on? Someone don't want to watch the Antiques Roadshow and listen to the latest hip hop song playing on the radio behind them. Do you have refreshments? Are you offering your clients beer and coffee and tea, whiskey, rum, Red Bull, Coca-Cola? Are you guys offering that? If so, can the customer see that? If they haven't been offered it, why haven't they been offered it? Right, next what I need you to do is get up off your ass and go and sit in the barber chair.